Hello everyone, myself Rutuja Kotekar. I am student of Bapuraji Deshmukh College of Engineering Sevagram and Department of Computer of Engineering, and the topic is exploring the meaning of happiness, and this video presented by Rutika Varvatkar, Rutuja Kotekar and Sakshi Borade under the guidance by this video Professor Akhil Gotmare sir. So we will start. What is happiness? Happiness is a mental state of well being characterized by positive emotions of intense joy and good life. Happiness is the positive nature of the self happiness. Happiness may be described as consisting of positive emotions and positive activities. Some exploration will show that when we are in a state of harmony within, we feel happy because that state is naturally acceptable to us. When we are in a situation with the outside world in which there is harmony, we feel happy as the feeling of being in that situation is naturally acceptable to us. This state or situation of being in line with natural acceptance is happiness. Then let's see, according to Martin Seligman, happiness is not just an external momentary pleasure. Martin provides the acronym PERMA to summarize many of positive psychologists finding humans seems happiness when they have pleasure, tasty foods, relationships, meanings, accomplishment. Then let's see what is prosperity. The feeling of having or making available more than required physical facilities is prosperity. The condition of being prosperous, having good fortune. Prosperity is the feeling of having producing more than required physical facilities. For prosperity, two things are required: identification of the required quantities of physical facilities, ensuring availability, production of more than required physical facilities. We can be prosperous only if there is a limit to the need for physical facilities. If there is no limit whatsoever, the availability, the feeling of prosperity cannot be assured. Secondly, just accessing the need is not enough. We need to be able to produce or make available more than the perceived need. Then let's see what wealth versus prosperity. Wealth and prosperity are two words we often relate to the state of having a lot of money, though these two words can be used interchangeably in certain occasions. There is a fundamental difference between wealth and prosperity. Wealth can be defined as the abundance of money or valuable assist. Prosperity can be defined as the abundance of material possessions, money, as well as other factors like health and happiness. To live with continuous happiness and prosperity, we have to understand and live in harmony at all levels of our living existence. There are four levels of our living: self, family, society, nature. In short, being in harmony with all and limit our desires. So, this is the information of exploring the meaning of happiness and prosperity. Thank you.